Hey there, welcome back guys. This video is special thanks to Ken, one of our viewers slash subscribers, who shared that he's actually on the fence about getting one of these but wants to see what the video experience is like when it comes to editing. Well, without any further ado, we've got you covered. Thanks Ken, great idea for a new video. We make these videos so you don't have to. Without any further ado, let's get started. There's a link to the Google Drive where you can download everything. Everything you need is right here. We have the video file, which is flat video, okay? And then we have a panoramic video for that 360 experience, which you can edit, but this is a finished product in there. And then we have the outside and inside, okay? Without any further ado, let's move on to the application. You're gonna open up the DJI Studio application and you can import the files that you have already downloaded. And there's a folder called My 360. You can import as many 360 files as you want. Just make sure you select the two which are there, and they are the OSV files, okay? And then we're just going to select open. Once you open, they'll import here. After they're imported, you can drag them with whichever order or sequence you want. In our case, I want to do the outside first and then put that here. And as you can see, when we can scrub along the timeline and cut, which means split a video. As you can see, if we scrub along the timeline again, the video was actually split. And if you select the video right here, right, an additional menu appear. You have the image, you have the audio. You can adjust the audio. So if it's too loud, you can adjust it from there, or the speed and other things to your likings when it comes to temperature and color. Knowing that and moving forward, again, play with it. And when you're done experimenting with it locally, because these files are here, or you can connect your camera when you do decide to get one, you just go to export. See? And then you'll have the option of video. If you choose video, it's going to be flat. And if you choose panoramic, that's going to be the 360 experience for the audience that you want to target. And then when it saves it and exports it to a particular folder, it will look something like this. There's your folder, and then voila. Remember, panoramic creates the 360, okay? And then the video is just flat. And in order to see the 360 experience, we could just click on it and it will open as long as the DJI Studio application is there. You see it says panoramic, see? And now you can play with that and edit it to your likings. And to edit it, as you know, you would just add keyframes to move the camera around to your liking. So if I am right here and I press right there, there's the keyframe, and then I'm going to make sure that the camera is where I want it, and then spin it around so that moving forward, we get that view until the camera spins again, or you spin it around whichever way you want by adding another keyframe there, and then spinning it around so that you can see me and my talking tutorial. And then the camera will spin and you work it out so the experience works just right for you. And that's pretty much it. Kind of neat, huh? Anyway, I hope this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.